Hello, now your boy Bidiso, Chica 100%.
When you wake up in the morning sun, just give praise to God who keeps you alive. Shante. What's up, my people? Now your boy Ajuju, and this na talk on Wazobia TV.
All right, so my people, yes, so don't come back. I'm still on talk now. We still there, and I tell you today for body kajad. Now waiting the rain. Now we want to talk about. You know, say I'm at Sunday town, and people for town, some they use the advantage. They know they bath. They carry body hot or they take the rubbers up and down.
Then they use deodorant now. Then they use them take put
We
inside.
don't say you know they bath. As it takes side and so straight like
No.
this.
I understand the plight of the people.
Some people go wash leg and hand and say, "Oh, more the coat too much. Oh, come carry body spray."
Rub and shine.
He still know they do. Yeah, rub and shine.
Rub and shine.
Rub and shine.
No lie.
Nobody is cool.
You know they really help matters. So today we won't just talk and between ourselves because we want you out there too with your friends or your colleagues for office. Make yourself notice whether your friends, if they pass it, they carry nose like this. they change their face if you don't come around them. Now waiting we want to talk with that for body kaja. You know say you feel actually they refresh without say you use body deodorant or something or perfume.
How?
Now actually no, yes. The first one be say you need to know some areas where you go wash for your body when you dey bath.
You can wash the vital areas like your armpits, and then you wash your down below, and then I wash my legs.
Your leg.
Yes.
All right. Una the ones where you say your neck. Funny enough, you know say you need to wash your nose. Now matam period you dey inhale different things. Only you yourself, if you near some people, you know say sometimes you want to talk to somebody, the breath where they come out from your mouth, then you must make sure say you at least wash your mouth. Chew gum if that one will help you keep fresh breath. Then inside your ear, then you know one place where they smell for our body where we don't know. The side of our belts, like your skirts, underneath your skirts here, once you don't sweat, and tomorrow you repeat the skirt or you repeat the jeans trouser, I tell you, your body go still smell because you repeat the same clothes. Then your navel also. Your navel, you need to wash and when you dey bath. All right, my people, because saying our body kajad and a very specially moment. Now we dey go. I dey come make I hear it my producer got to tell me. Mr. Producer, what you dey talk?
All right, why she dey wait make she hear from the producer? I don't understand the spiritual producer where she want to hear from. But I actually like this body kaja where you bring home.
Yes.
People need to keep themselves clean, especially this Harmattan season, because dust they go everywhere. So you need to stay clean, and they come with sickness too. So if you're not day clean, a lot of sickness will come.
You remember say you go use deodorant, but you still dey sweat. Yes. And some people go take advantage of and say, she be Harmattan day, my body go dry. I tell you that sweat, once you don't stay on top of the cloth, it go smell. So if you feel say you won't really repeat and like jackets all they wear these days, why not if you reach out, just put them for where air go touch them. You must not use all these expense. Some people get them, but they know they remember to use them. I know somebody where actually they forget to use deodorant.
All right, our guests don't come, but you gonna need to come body with us because after this break, you go meet our guests when they come back.
My graduation this year, my promotion this year. My freedom this year, getting married this year. I be molemo, kolemoleo, rokomoko. I love you at home. If you believe, say amen, say amen, 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 amen.
If you know to sing and well.
Okay, yes, we don't come back. Don't forget, if you want to join our conversation, if you check your mouth on top Twitter at Wazobia and Facebook they Wazobia TV NG. Instagram self they there for all our beautiful pictures. Wazobia TV NG. Right now we don't get our very, very casual guest where we tell you say Hamatan be the catch them for outside and we don't buy jacket and cap give them so that it go day warm enough to take associate with us for inside. Here we get no other person but this year crooner Oluwajuwolo Jaywon.
You like shakara. Sure.
I don't need shakara.
You like shakara?
Happy New Year, everybody.
How far now? Waiting they happen.
I found one.
You don't dey fat oh. Your chick be like
Really?
pop.
You don't drop money now. So what do
I
you
know.
expect?
That's what they talk. I don't know.
You don't know.
I just say try.
Say you don't dey chop money.
I won't try chop.
that one where you just go collect for under the
He must
okuta.
drop for us.
Just try, go chop. You know, say it's good when you chop.
And you shall pay your tithe.
And you shall pay your tithe.
I must pay.
We have a basket for you.
Yes.
basket for tithe for everything. And then another time say I not get church here now.
The service don't already start to come in between.
Jaywon, what
that
did they
is-
happen now?
I buy my deal kill.
So actually, I want to ask you this very casual question. Now, when last you go spa?
When last again?
You know, but you know spa.
Yes, I know.
You don't say you're not smart.
I know.
What if it's spa?
Where did they buy things now?
He gave me. She gave me. He
Why
won.
forget?
He won.
When wait,
No, not
no,
be
see,
that one
I
that
don't
they
understand
talk
the
about.
spa way. The spa way. Listen, if not the spa for body massage and all those things, that one last time my girlfriend visits me. Don't think.
She
Don't
can't decide.
Don't think.
How many
So
years
now
ago?
that spa where we dey buy things, that one we see.
No, we know. What's it called? When you dey buy things, you dey buy. Give me. Why I go dey ask you about that one?
And no, I know
So why you can't say where the girl? Why you say
she not there around.
you dey lie? Your nose dey shake.
Jaywon, where the girl? She's still there available.
The number not there you go.
Oh.
So another one don't replace the number.
No, I say number. I don't
Her
say
number
replacement.
they call
The number where they call.
No, they connect.
And you don't change the
What kind that
number.
way they do for radio come here? I change that for you. I change that for you.
I pause.
Pause.
I pause.
If
But
that's
make I
leave
just
my party now.
make
No.
I ask you, party.
No.
They don't do party for you.
No.
That's what Jaywon say. Give me new name. Or say my name na Love.
Before you look like
Jaywon
love.
is it?
I look like
Her
Love.
number will replace the number, right?
Her number fee they go.
Una dey okay oh.
Her number fee they go.
No, she never
Her
know.
number fee they go. Jaywon.
Yeah, number.
Her number fee they go.
You
All right.
You have to see some network these days. They catch virus.
Na harmattan dey affect the network these days.
No matter.
You know say winter enter Lagos, but you no carry the snow join body.
Jaywon, I beg you, make I ask you this question. Now, since when you drop this year na song way every year it a day evergreen. Na song way if they play it a day new every year. You don't drop anyone since after this year because some people not just this year you don't.
I no go
drop.
lie for you. You see that song, that song come too big, so you can cover all the other songs where they drop. So if I tell you how many songs I don't drop, even if you only say Madam Thing can stubborn, Madam Thing can strike, or Madam Thing climb. But this year just overshadow all other songs, But we can't drop new one now with Vector, Back to Sender. We they close to this year.
Good.
So that one now they pick up because people they feel related to that one.
As well.
But not live for you. All the other songs where you it be like say we just they play. They already feel meet up, they already feel near this year because the song to get power. Even myself, I don't understand the song until now because the song already near 3 years now.
Yes.
Some people still they think saying like last year. You understand? So, but we thank God. It's not easy.
I know.
You know, did the industry.
No, you know, my easy.
All right, Jaywon, I want to ask you this song.
I'm
For
a
the
singer
industry now. For the industry, we dey hear baby mama, baby drama, baby bills, pampers. Anytime soon, because you talk say the number no dey go. I don't know whether you
No,
don't.
the thing be say,
hold the number.
what I don't dey understand these days na say, if you get baby mama, if you get pikin, if you get anything wey you call am, that's supposed to be, you supposed to dey happy now. Because
Bundle of joy.
at least when you get, me and we say I get one before now, so that I go fit double up my house. Say, when I remember, I say, guy,
You got to buy pampers.
got buy pampers, so you go fit ginger. Say, man, make I double up. Say, I got to
Guy,
pay.
If not that one go give you ginger, I never let oh.
But
Now just
I did try.
I give you free Betiana.
I did
Yes.
try.
I really love. No, but the thing is, say when you come our show, this show na talk, you go need to give everybody name.
I did talk.
So you not be come
Say,
here,
I know
come
they
give
talk
only her
since-
love. Give us our own name.
Say, I know they talk.
Okay, you don't give
since-
Betiana.
Give us
name,
our
love.
own name.
Give us our own
Love.
name.
Let it be my own.
Sweetie.
Let it be our own.
Beauty.
Let it be Amaka own.
Ada.
You don't double out.
Okay, so on that note, Jaywon, you get something where they do on top of our show. Whenever all our guests enter inside studio, they call them talk the talk and
Do the do.
We
As
go
be
DM
say,
you.
you don't give all of us name, and it be say
I
you
not
just
DM
pull,
you, we
you
not
dey
change
pull
am
weight,
for you.
say nothing they happen. We go show you say something actually.
Something
dey
can happen.
Something can happen.
The
So
offering
inside this
basket.
game, this box, now our game box, now our offering basket, now our basket of life. May I continue?
No.
Okay. So inside you just pick one paper for inside, and anything where this basket time you do, even if not trouble we carry come, you go solve the equation.
Just
Oh,
pick
yeah.
one for you.
Just one.
No, you go
Not
just
the
shook
other,
your
just
hand,
dip
pick
your hand.
Shook.
We're not the line other and
the
touch
hands
them.
inside.
Just one hand. Like
It
this.
dey holy.
No.
Now one.
Just
hand,
one.
You not tell me play. oh.
Now play we want tell you play so.
Only you they use your hand do yourself
Cool.
by
Say
yourself.
no, I
Safe.
Dear.
Ma, I read that myself. Oh.
You see
Don't worry,
am.
go
So I not trust you.
Okay, so J1.
Okay.
You see as I dey phone your name. J1.
Yeah, Jaywon.
J1.
Jaywon.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Right now, what you want me to do? Now, me use your tongue, touch your nose. See, I know edit am.
He's in love though.
No, Jaywon can do anything.
He tell me, a whole me love, say you no trust me. Oh yeah.
Jaywon can do everything.
You know the
Use your tongue, touch your nose.
Oh yeah.
I thought not long reach.
Time they go.
You know, man. No,
Might tell you the fine way you go pay if you know do this thing.
Ah, you must pay him now. Open our basket.
You want know the fine? I be you do am.
Man, no
I beg,
define.
put
Make
one way
I-
you
oh, yeah.
drop. Don't go put me, no drop and just put one
Wait,
way.
We
wait,
waiting for that fine what we've been they talk about.
Just
The
put
khaki.
here. Peter, make it.
No,
The
khaki.
khaki.
You
No
want me
way.
to check? Go.
Make
You
it
go
drop
just drop 10K.
Make it drop 5,000, 10K, 10K.
Na 10K
first.
go drop.
Yes.
I know when you press out your
Love,
egusi come
why you-
outside from your nose.
You don't touch now.
So
Let
because
it
say you don't
touch.
want drop, now you want do am by force.
No, I want try see me. I want try first.
Oh, yeah,
man, see.
try,
Yeah, they try
try.
you.
No
Oh,
harm
yeah.
in trying.
10.
Time they go.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
I'll
4.
pay, I'll pay.
Oh yeah, pay. Drop am.
For camera.
Yes.
It will not be for camera.
No, we don't mind.
They not say, oh, we get POS. No, we POS.
Yeah,
We
bring
need to
it.
carry POS.
No, but not
I'm
for
Mr.
camera. Not for
Producer.
camera. Not for camera.
Okay, we know use
Well,
that.
Okay, so Jaywon don't talk say in go pay
Yeah,
our
I'll pay,
fine.
I'll pay.
And for those of you who know us well, you know say if we no pay him, Twitter blast,
tell
Facebook
you.
blast,
I'll
we put
pay.
Jaywon
blasting.
all out. We'll tell the whole people for world say Jaywon we no fit trust him, but we know say we fit trust him because in go pay.
They
Abi?
trust me, oh.
Yes.
Because you go pay.
Why you they talk for it? You said no check.
Jaywon no trust himself.
All right,
Anyway,
Jaywon, what would they expect from you? What would they expect from you in terms of musical scene?
A whole lot. You know, say we get new record label now where we just bring up
Oh, okay.
next world music. So they try see what we fit do to, you know, do something on our own. As
Okay.
we say, young boys who just start. You know, so
You know be upcoming, Nigerian.
God forbid. God forbid. But you know, as a young man who just
Yes.
start, you got to the, you know, spread your wings. I like that way you big, spread down so that you, plenty things where if you do, you understand. Be like, you know, my people here, it's been on radio now for start. We don't listen now for TV.
We dey watch TV.
You understand? So make we to try other things. So, and one try see how we go fit take discover some other young ones, maybe like 2 of them before the end of this year. So that we go fit the team go fit big, they bigger than the way it be originally. And you know, now if you don't see the video from Anambra and the Madam Team remix with Fino and Medi, now under Next World Music, and back to saying that we'll try to see how we go fit put out video for that one.
Okay.
And we don't nearly finish Tana Wale with Reminisce. So we just try to see what things we will fit place our hand on top.
All right,
so
I beg,
finally,
make
you
you
go
sing with our
sign me,
song.
Abi? You will sign me.
I'll sign you now so
go
that
sign
you
you,
go
but-
really talk.
We're gonna talk for
But
the
then one time don't reach for us to come up inside the studio, but you go before you come on, you go need to sing with Talk. Yes, I beg, just drop it.
Sing
Drop it like
first.
it's hot.
Torí ọdún yìí Asan wa sire.
Àmín.
Asan wa sayo. Asan wa si gbogbo nǹkan téèyàn fi láyọ̀. Listen, if you believe, say amen, amen,
Amen.
and you say amen, amen. So I say, now play the music.
All right, tomorrow we go see you. As always, they talk, say to talk, not be bad thing, but
Make you know what you they talk about.
Amaka, we love you.
Boca.
Thanks, everyone, Jaywon.